Open up the errors file attached to this video in Visual Studio Code. When you write code, there's no doubt we're going to make mistakes. And Python is going to try to tell us what we did wrong. And Python is going to try to tell us what we did wrong by printing out an error message. It's important to read through this error message carefully, as it's going to tell us what happened and where. Let's take a look at an example over here, where we'll try to print out hello without using double quotes. First of all, we can see over here the name of this error, and it's called a name error. You can see it down here as well. Over here, we can see where the error is occurring, and it's occurring in line number 2, and the actual line of code that produced the error, which is print hello. Then down here, we also have a description of the error, what the error message is, and it's saying that the name hello is not defined. Sometimes you'll run into errors that you won't know how to fix yourself. So it would be a good idea to copy the error into Google and search for it online. Most likely, you'll find the answer to your error on a website called Stack Overflow. This website serves as a forum for developers to help each other out. It's the most popular community for developers.